We just love Krishna. We don't know who he is. We don't even care. But then all of a sudden, he said, no, I'm going to show you. You're Paramatma. They're just saying all these things like a drunken person. Someone who's drunk or intoxicated, he'll say so many things. The president, I'm Krishna. No, and you're Kaliya. Get out from here. No. So this is the madness, in the madness of prema, then anyone can say anything. So the gopis are, if you ask them the next day when they come out, when they're dancing with Krishna and he's smothering them in kisses and they're smothering him back in kisses, will say, do you know that this beautiful, dashing, dear Lita Nayak hero that you're sporting and cavorting with throughout the beach of by the Yamuna, he's the Paramatma, he's the Adi Purush. Huh? What are you talking about? You're talking crazy. And then the gopi looks at Shama, who is that? What's he talking about? Just get out from here. Come on. So that's the moonshine, the mysterious effect of the moonshine of their love. They forget all these things. So only when they're suffering the duress of delirium and separation, then they spout all this tattva and gyan and aishvarya knowledge. You're the Adi Purush, and you're the Tanu Britam, and you're the Atma Bandhu. I mean, come on, you go to some of these ladies over here, the Pashupatis and these Gwals, you think they're going to say all these things. You know, is Krishna, Tanu Britam, Bandhu Atma, Adi Purusha, what are you saying? Krishna Kaniya. I don't know what you're saying. So this is the nice thing, that the humility, the surrender, the attachment, and the purity of mind and heart reveals all the tattvas of Krishna. And the gopis are showing this example. They worked very hard at loving Krishna. They didn't work very hard in studying shastras. They spent all their energy and all their time and all their thoughts and all their feelings and how to love this person, how to make this person happy, how to please this person. What can I do? What does he like? What's his favorite color? Well, all different colors. Oh, what about, does he like fair-skinned girls? Like me? Yeah, sometimes. But he also likes Shama Saki. Shama Saki, she's so dark, He likes her. Well, he's also dark. Well, I know, but she's like black. And I'm gory. So the gopis are perplexed. Oh, he likes so many. What kind of, and they might ask Lalita, what kind of moods does Krishna like? Oh, he likes all kinds. He likes moody gopis, he likes angry gopis, he likes feisty. Oh, so many different kinds. Yeah,